KONE offers informative digital services that will keep you and your on-site team up to date on your elevator, escalator, and building door maintenance. KONE Online provides quick access to your maintenance information anytime. All of your equipment data, contacts, invoice, and contract details can be easily found in one place. With this online portal, you can monitor maintenance performance and call-out rates of the equipment, follow up KONE's responses to service requests, and review the maintenance history. Our service also gives you data about long-term equipment performance and costs, providing you with a valuable tool for planning budgets for maintenance and modernization. The scheduled email reports can be customized. The KONE mobile application will help you to stay up to date wherever you are. You can check the status of your equipment with a simple overview, create service requests, and receive maintenance status notifications directly to your phone. And of course, when the work is done, we'll let you know. Whenever needed, our customer care contacts are just the push of a button away. Communication makes the difference.